In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile name in Yahoo Mail account. Your profile name is the display name people see when they receive your emails. It's different from your email address or username, and you can update it anytime to reflect how you want to appear in someone's inbox. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Yahoo homepage. If you're seeing the Yahoo Singapore site, that's perfectly fine. The steps are the same. Look to the upper right corner and select Sign In. If you're already signed in, you can proceed, but if not, enter your email and password and follow any on-screen prompts, such as verification codes. Be sure you only sign in on the official Yahoo website and never share your password. Once you're signed in and on Yahoo, go to the top right corner and click your profile picture or initial. In the menu that appears, choose Profile, then select Manage Your Account. This opens your Yahoo account settings. In the account settings page, find and click Personal Settings. Here, you'll see your basic details. Scroll down until you reach the section for your name. This is where your display name lives. To change it, click Update next to the name field. You'll now be able to edit your first and last name. Type the name exactly as you want it to appear on outgoing emails. Keep it clear and professional, especially if you use this email for work or school. Use proper capitalization, avoid emojis or symbols that might not display well, and don't enter misleading names. Some recipients or mail services may flag unusual formats. When you're satisfied, click Done to save your changes. If you see a confirmation prompt, click Done again. Your updated name should take effect shortly. In some cases, recipients may need to refresh their inbox, or the change may take a few minutes to show up in new messages. This change only affects your display name. It does not change your Yahoo ID or your email address. If you don't see the update right away, try signing out and back in, or compose a new email to preview the From line. On mobile, the path is similar. Open the account settings and look for personal info or profile details to edit your name. That's it. Your Yahoo Mail profile name is now updated. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to repeat these steps anytime you need to tweak your display name. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.